How to download and install Baldur's Gate 3 on PC or laptop. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this following tutorial, I'll be showing you the ways to download and install Baldur's Gate 3 on PC or laptop. For that keys, first of all, you need to install Steam on your device. So type in steampower.com, that's going to take you to the official page, which is going to look something like this. Here, go ahead and press the install Steam button, and after you've done that, it's going to take you to the page. Go ahead and tap on install Steam for Windows. When you do that, the exe file is going to load up in the top right hand side corner, and then you need to double press on it or double click on it in order to locate the file location. And next page, you need to go ahead and run the installation. When you're done installing it, go ahead and create your account and log into your account. When you're logged in, you need to go to stores, and as you're on the stores page, here on the search box, type in the game that you're looking for, that is Baldur's Gate 3. Type in that. When you type in the following name, you need to go ahead and press on it, and then you need to go ahead and click on add to cart. As you do that, it's going to be added to your cart, and from there you could go ahead and proceed to checkout. So in this way, you could go ahead and download and install Baldur's Gate 3 on PC or laptop. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.